Imagine a place where art, history, and nature collide, a hidden world carved entirely out of stone. Welcome to Yelang Valley in Guizhou, China, a mysterious masterpiece you've probably never heard of, but one you'll never forget. Today, we're diving into this mind-blowing stone village created by a single visionary artist. Let's explore the magic. Nestled in the rolling hills of Guizhou province, Yelang Valley looks like it came straight out of a fantasy novel. But this isn't some ancient ruin. It's the work of artist Song Peiluan, who spent over 20 years turning this once barren land into a living art gallery. Meet Song Peiluan, artist, cartoonist, and former professor. Inspired by the Crazy Horse Memorial in the US, Song quit his teaching job, bought this isolated plot of land, and started building his dream with the help of local masons. These stone figures? Their open eyes gaze across the valley, as if guarding its secrets. They might look ancient, but they're actually modern creations inspired by the mysterious Yelang tribes who lived here 2,000 years ago. He told the builders to think of it like making pig pens, simple, raw, and from the heart. The result? A 2 million square foot stone village, complete with castles, lakes, and towers, all made with locally sourced materials to keep it eco-friendly. Yelang Valley isn't just about art, it's about remembering history. The Yelang tribe ruled this area 2,000 years ago, but little remains of their once powerful state. Song created this valley to honor their legacy, blending mythology, history, and his own artistic flair into every stone. Exploring Yelang Valley feels like stepping into another world. These castles and sculptures create an atmosphere of mystery and wonder, while the natural beauty of the surrounding forest makes it a perfect escape from city life. Even today, Yelang Valley is growing. Local students and volunteers work with Song to expand this ever-evolving masterpiece. Every visit could reveal something new. So, why should you visit Yelang Valley? Whether you're an art lover, history buff, or just looking for an off-the-beaten-path adventure, this place is pure magic. It's not just a destination, it's a journey into creativity, culture, and the timeless beauty of stone and nature. Yelang Valley isn't just a place, it's a story carved into the earth. And trust me, it's a story you'll want to experience for yourself. Did this hidden stone wonder blow your mind? Hit that like button, subscribe for more epic travel discoveries, and drop a comment below. Would you explore Yelang Valley? Let's chat. See you on the next adventure.